Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in with Art of Beauty. As you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing a makeup challenge. And for this challenge, I had to pick my favorite or one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes and then randomly pick a number, and those will be the eyeshadows I have to create a look from. So the first step for this challenge is to pick your favorite palette, which I already did, and I picked the Masquerade by Juvia's Place. And then you count how many shades are in the eyeshadow palette, and this one has 16 shades. So what I did was I wrote 1 through 16 on these little pieces of papers, and then I just threw them in my makeup bag. So this is how it works. I'm gonna shake this up and I'm going to pick 3 numbers. Whatever number those shades are in this palette, I have to use those 3 shades to create a look, okay? So I'm counting it this way. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it goes on the bag. And I'm going to pick out 3 numbers out of here. I have 14. 5. Last but not least, 7. Let's see the shades I have to use. So I have 14, 5, and 7. That purple shade would be 5. That would be 7. That'll be 14. All right, so I'm gonna use those 3 shades to create a look. If you want to see the finished product, keep watching.
Working on the weekend like usual. My taxes, I'm too turned up. What the
fuck? By the way, I'm going to be trying this new flawless foundation trick that I saw on Instagram, and it's basically starting off with a loose setting powder and then setting spray and then primer, and then getting started with your makeup and foundation. And let's see how that works. I'm gonna be using this loose setting powder, the setting spray from Black Radiance, and of course my favorite primer by Maybelline. Let's get started. So I just finished applying the setting powder. My face is looking a little pale, but I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the setting spray. I'm gonna wait for that to dry before I apply my primer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply the primer. This is how it's looking. My face does look a bit smoother, but let's apply full face and see how that looks. By the way, before I started this video, I did do my regular skincare routine. till the sun comes down. Take a fuck nigga right off the map when I hit him with this whole 100 round. Young jock in the still doing drive-bys, but I wanna walk them. If I can't find them, you know I'm gonna stalk them. Yeah, boy.
Affection, cuz.